Visionaries see what others can't. A new path, a bold future. Today, you have the opportunity to be part of something truly revolutionary. Introducing XanthoMyst Plus, a groundbreaking innovation in nutrient delivery, initiating absorption into your body in as little as 4 seconds, hitting your organs within minutes. XanthoMyst Plus is not just another supplement, it's a leap forward in anti-aging and cellular health. At its core is Mangosteen, the original superfruit revered for centuries for potent health benefits. Over 200 xanthones exist in nature, and over 70 of those xanthones exist in the mangosteen fruit. Over 40 of those xanthones are said to be located in the xanthone-rich pericarp or rind of the mangosteen fruit. The mangosteen pericarp or rind contains more xanthones than any other source on Earth, making it a powerful ally against oxidative stress, which is the primary cause of aging. But XanthoMyst Plus goes beyond skin deep. It supports all 11 vital organ systems, enhancing brain health, supporting heart wellness, aiding in weight loss, improving skin health, and helping to regulate blood sugar. This is holistic wellness at its finest, helping you not just look good, but feel great and live longer. Our proprietary patent-pending technology ensures that XanthoMyst Plus delivers its powerful nutrients exactly where your body needs them most. The nano-encapsulation process increases surface area up to 1,000 times, ensuring that you receive the full potency of mangosteen's benefits. Just twist and mist to experience a 4-second solution hitting the organs in minutes like no other. This revolutionary delivery system allows for the rapid absorption of XanthoMyst Plus' potent mangosteen xanthone-rich nutrients and our exclusive cellular nutrition blend that helps heal damaged cells. It's a high-speed boost that initiates absorption in as little as 4 seconds and hitting the organs within minutes. So fast, it's like nothing you've ever experienced. This is your moment. Rarely do we witness a breakthrough so powerful it changes the way we live. XanthoMyst Plus is for those who want to take the world by storm, live boldly, and embrace every opportunity with vitality and vigor. Don't miss out on this chance to redefine your future. Order XanthoMyst Plus today, risk-free, with our 60-day money-back guarantee. Your journey to a pinnacle health starts now.